Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most start with today's news. On my monetary spirit, so we call Dean Jones, so the football journalists don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they plan a late move for Julian Alvarez. And Babako they let us know say he gets somebody wey follow talk yesterday wey dey very close to Arsenal. So now that person na come tell am say Arsenal they highly interested in Julian Alvarez. They never give up on Julian Alvarez. They still they go for him. But at the same time, he get two factors we go decide whether Arsenal will sign the guy or they no go sign him. He no tell us the two factors. But in they tell us authoritatively say in contact somebody with a very close to the hierarchy, with they in the midst of those where they make decisions, and they tell them say Arsenal is going to make a late move for Julian Alvarez. Well, we'll just keep this one, just cross our mind and cross our hand and everything and leg and click up. So anyhow with this deal they go, we'll just monitor them. If we go for the guy, fine and good. But if we don't go for him, maybe like Casado, they don't go for Sandro Tonali or any other defensive midfielder, that's also okay. So away from that, so Jamie O'Hara will be one of our super pundits, even though he get a bias for Spurs because the former Spurs player. Now come outside also, they apologize to William Saliba in case of those who missed the live updates we had yesterday. So he apologized to Saliba, say Saliba is a good player, say he gets that one wrong. Like he come out officially for live TV, apologize on Top Sports. Say he made the novice, say he never watched the guy play before. I know say the guy is 21-year-old, so he can't underrate him. But after watching the guy's first and second game, despite the own goal when do, he kept his head down. And how many 21-year-olds they play for centre back for the Premier League for you to know say the guy is a very top quality player in view. Well, all we have to say is your apology has been accepted. Next time, mind what you say. Don't just say anything because of your bias. And at the same time, all those Roy Keane, all those Gary Neville, all of them, I say Rio Ferdinand still do okay. But you see those Gary Neville, them, all those Roy Keane, I don't know, something they cloud their judgments. I know they judge things, I know they look things objectively. Get so the way that they talk, they will say Manchester United will finish above us. Man, you will never even score one goal with the minus for table. If Ronaldo goes safe, they will suffer. At the same time, Vieira will be Crystal Palace manager. Say don't come and say I call it tip Arsenal as people will go win the league. Say Arsenal are one of the outsiders, so people know they look. Say they get huge stake for this season. Get. I don't say why people they talk like this that because of the way they start at the same time. Now only Man City and Arsenal then get 100% record for this season. They played their first two games and they won it. Nobody don't lose any match or anything. Liverpool don't draw their first two games, which is very and highly unusual. Like this, they're only 4 points behind Man City. So how many more points they go drop? And all these things now because Sadio Mane come out. So for Darwin Núñez to enter, can't hit the ground running, it no go dey very easy. Baba even collect red card, which means he's going to miss the next 3 games. And Manchester United they among games when go miss. So who knows? Maybe Manchester United will come they resurgent against a Liverpool side. I never really know because at the end of the day, it's going to be played at the theatre of dreams. Is Manchester United going to miss or lose their first 3 matches back? As Arsenal lose them last season, now only time will tell. A weekend now, nobody watch. Also, Chelsea they set to hijack Yeremy Pino deal. According to Fabrizio Romano, say Chelsea need the guy bad. Well, good riddance to bad rubbish. But I know say the guy no go green, but if you go green, I say he no try. We will say we don't need a scout and we even no be us who know him now. Who will look inside? So I just believe say can join us and Unai Emery itself supposed to accept our own bid. Let's just assume say Arsenal and Chelsea offer the same bid. Unai Emery supposed to help us out. Forget say we abused him before in Xhaka. He's supposed to help us out as a former Arsenal manager. Then maybe Yeremy Pino can decide when they go. Yeremy himself supposed to use his head, no say where young stars they like me. We say see coach where they give young stars chance. Make I go there. No be too way, no believe in young stars. Like what can go play for? Well, anyhow they go, I go they let you know. Manchester United and Chelsea, they don't come outside now that they battle for Aubameyang. These two clubs, they really need a striker at the moment, so they are panic buying. You get they no cool down because time don't they go. Less than maybe 15 days or thereabouts. Time no day again. So now they just cool. Anybody who they see anywhere Bellerin face where they see they'll just go buy. Whether they play a good player, no good. Make just be say they shall buy somebody. And at Manchester United now it go worse for because how many people they don't buy? You had a bad season last time out. You almost went to UEFA Europa Conference League. Everybody knows you go spend money. The Glazers brought out only £120 million for the whole summer. So made them buy transfer. Now how many people that money go buy? They don't go buy Lisandro Martinez, go pay over the top about £67 million. Even I accept the shock. Say because they pay this guy big money, that's why they sell and give him that. You buy that one. Now you are having one of the shortest centre backs in the EPL. As if that was not enough. You go carry Christian Eriksen, but because Eriksen was a free transfer, he was a free agent because they signed a 1-year deal with Brentford and they got him from there. At the same time, they can't go sign Malaysia, I think from Feyenoord. A Malaysia who is in a shit packer is used to a Dutch league, maybe Farmers League, because they compare them for the EPL. Now you don't bring them from. These are the 3 only players that are not signed. Now they are maestro, they are attacking maestro, maybe Ronaldo, they are legend. They talk say himself won't leave. Now if he leave, there's going to be a very big void because all the goals when they take the rescue, sure they will suffer this season. They don't even see UEFA Europa Conference League. Sure they go man, they go suffer. You see one of the things where Ateta do when he first enter, when he suffer some kind of things, and that suffer now, they can't go suffer now. Our Michael Bridge said maybe one of our super monitoring spirits don't come as I call the complain of Ateta lack of squad depth. So Baba they talk say as Arsenal they like this now. Our squad depth no dey much. Say now you don't really know because we play only EPL. Come be like say we get bench. So by the time we can start to play Europa League, we will play every Sunday, Thursday. That is when you go realize say squad depth, we no get them at all. So that's when you realize it because by the time you won't put striker, you put Nketiah, you won't put winger. You know, we put Saka on Thursday, come put them on Sunday again. I go rest time now. Who you now put there? Is it going to be a Pepe? I will go put for Martinelli side. Is it going to be a Fabio Vieira? Like when Europa League starts, and that I'm gonna say that squad depth, that is why Ateta the clamor say he won't sign more players. He won't sign at least a DM and a striker and a winger, if possible, 3 or 2 more players. And any player where they sign, if you watch now, versatile players in the sign, so that we'll get people with multiple dimensions, multiple options for us up front as moving forward. About the Chelsea Sports podcast, say don't come as I call they let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Hudson-Odoi of Chelsea on loan. We won't carry them out on loan because now them they let us know say many clubs don't come as I say that they're interested in taking the guy at loan, and Arsenal is one of those clubs. Now don't really Arsenal they go for the guy. Even Newcastle self, the reason Chelsea say they won't carry Hudson-Odoi on loan. Now it only left to Chelsea whether they go fit strengthen their rivals, because whether you like it or yes, Arsenal and Newcastle are one of the rivals, one of the people gunning for the top 4 and top 6 position so that they can go to Champions League or Europa. For we, Champions League is the goal. For Newcastle, Champions or Europa, anyone, they shall want to go to Europe. That one is the goal for them. So I never really know where Chelsea will let the guy know. Because if it comes to us, it's going to be strengthening us, and that's not what they want. Well, we'll just watch it. Nacho Monreal don't retire from football, so Arsenal don't announce him for their official website. So the guy say I can't do it anymore. So well, we thank him for all the things he do for us when he was playing for Arsenal. They can come for Arsenal, can go for another club. I think Real Sociedad now he play for. Then the guy don't retire now, so we just thank him. According to our monitoring spirit, they call the Sun. So Barcelona don't join the race to sign Bellerin from Arsenal. Bellerin is our right back. So blessed that yes, they won't retire Julian Alvarez. Say they're not going to use them for this season. Whether they're not trying to find square root, I can't even remember. But now they are going for our Bellerin with the real Betis ban. Even Bellerin said the beg Arsenal made them cancel in £110,000 per week deal, so that Ngofi go Real Betis as a free agent. So I don't think Barcelona is coming with that same proposal. If Barcelona wants to take him, Barcelona will gas cough out the money where Arsenal wants, at most £7-8 million, because he has 1 more year left on his contract. So there's nothing much again. So I never really know where this guy could go last because I know saying that from La Masia Academy in from Coma side. And maybe they talk before saying we would like to go back there, but the deal no come materialize. But now we say Xavi they look in direction whether he's going to abandon Real Betis and go there, or use because of the love he get from Papa, because Papa na former Real Betis player from what I heard. So he's going to go to Real Betis, and they rather know. Well, let's watch us. Even our monetary spiritual they call Gat Crook don't come outside and let us know many stories. So Baba can talk say this Granit Xhaka where they play very well now. So you don't add the guy for his team of the week. I want to make an add this guy. Say this guy get thick skin. This guy has been battered a lot by Arsenal fans. He has been booed. He has been red carded. Nothing that they do player will they never do. He has been stripped of the captain armband. Yet he's still there for the club. He still get that loyalty. He still get that loyalty for Arteta. He still get respect for his teammates, and he still has love for the fan. Like he's not a resurgent Granit Xhaka. The way they play now, Arteta even going to give him a new role for this season, giving him more freedom to go forward and telling Partey to stay behind. You know, all these things now part of it. So you say they show the guy love. Even Xhaka said, don't come outside and talk say this Arsenal when they see. Say it is a pity say that just 2 years didn't get left on his contract. Say for like to stay here for a long time. Well, let's just watch and see. Maybe Arsenal will give him another bumper contract because the guy they feel say Arsenal don't reach time. Maybe say they will deliver the goods. Don't be rebuilding again. Small boy. Now is the time. The future is for the leaders of the tomorrow and the youth. You to Oga today. That will be the future. We'll do everything we want to do now for our titles and things. Even Ben Foster self don't come outside and let us know say Gabriel Jesus get the potential for Arsenal to score up to 35 goals because you don't watch this guy play. You know the kind of quality the guy get. The guy will score goals for fun. Like the guy love to score goals. So last season when the guy played against Watford with him be keeper, the guy scored 4 passes and like the way the goals they enter and the wonder say you will be saying Benjamin you did. You're gonna score 4 goals. How are you not starting for Man City? Like what's the Boston brain? Like how is this guy who is this clinical, who is this prolific not able to start in this Man City setup for you to know how good Man City did? I know say Guardiola and first say they favor wingers, they favor midfielders, they like false 9 role instead of using the main 9. Now this time it's almost like the first time for Man City where come bring Julian Alvarez, bring Erling Haaland. That's why it's just considered no, I need to go somewhere else and be my number 1. So don't come Arsenal now the boss net for fun. Even though scoring go assist, that's what he's saying. That I'm here to help. I'm not just here to score goals. You get if I don't score, at least I help another person making score. And that's how a super number 9 is supposed to be. You have to be the link-up play with the wingers that are beside you and those behind you. My guy Eric sent me 16k yesterday. I bet me help me pray for him. Baba just tell me say, CHUKS, why am you Hazard? Make I bless you for the good work you do. They try. May God bless you. And myself, I say anywhere when they see money to run a business, to send me this money. May God replenish your pocket of Eric in Jesus' name and inshallah. I mean, help me salute him. Baba try. No easy for somebody to bring out your hard-earned money for this economy. You they say, okay, CHUKS take senior man confirm game out. My dear football lovers, at the same time, help me subscribe to our channel so that we'll carry our channel go for our first 10,000 subscribers and community members. As we did like this now, we did 6,740 the last time I checked this morning. So like 60 something people subscribed yesterday. Thank you now. Try well. We are getting there, small. You know the Russia. So if you don't say never subscribe, I enjoy our show. Subscribe because from my statistics, the people who never subscribe, there plenty pass people don't subscribe and people they watch our show. So what's that they wait for now? Make that help us grow now. Subscribe again and God continue to bless you. James Robson himself don't come outside and talk say Manchester United need to copy Arsenal blueprints. They need to copy exactly what Mikel Arteta is doing because when Arteta first come, all the people who Unai Emery they use, I think say don't sell almost everybody. If you go remain, say maybe now only 3 players. Now you go remain now, but just they sell them small. Just they sell them. That is what Erik ten Hag is going to do. All the players say they are playing for the money. They are not playing for the love of the club. They don't have passion for the club, so you have to sell them out and put players that will play exactly to your own tactics, to your own deployment. Anything you want to deploy, everything you want to do, your philosophy of style of football. Now wait till you go bring the players who will come do and get all those players that mind you, they are taking you nowhere. That is what Arteta did there. All those old weights, all those dead weights, all those Papastopoulos, Mustafi, Ozil, Aubameyang, Lacazette, all those kind of people. Let them find their square root, bring in fresh blood. You see the difference between last transfer window, the summer one, and this one now. Look at our first 11. Not all of them did there. We are the old guards. Everybody have been flushed out, except people like maybe Xhaka and the rest. But now, one even said is Limit now say, okay, Baba, I find a square root. Bellerin himself, a part of the old guard, find a square root. Look at Sorera don't go, Guendouzi don't go. My names don't go gone. So now say we just be. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.